Yo, what is up, guys? It is Super Burrito 51 or Derek. Today we are opening the RYOBIONE 18-volt 1 plus shop vac, 18-volt 6-gallon wet/dry vacuum, cordless convenience with corded performance, multi-size no tip, well designed, 360 mobility, hose, dock, and accessory storage, battery and charger sold separately. Don't go and get this expecting a charger and everything in it. It's not there. So that's kind of what we're looking like. Obviously, you got the 2 pipes. You got different accessories, the wheel, so and then the no tip. Just a couple little pictures. Any one tool works battery. Yeah, these already have those batteries, so it's not that big of a deal. If we look at it on this side, we're just doing kind of quick. Boom, picture, picture, picture. 6, multi-size no tip. Corded performance, onboard accessory storage, no mess hose, carrying handle, so you can grab from different sides, removable top, easy emptying. What's provided is a wet dry vacuum, 7-foot times 1.5 inch hose, crevice tool, floor nozzle, cartridge style filter, extension wands, and operations manual. Yeah, just a closer look, but we're gonna get a closer look by when we open it. So this is the cutting tool today. That's what we're using. We don't have one of those fancy little pocket knives that we usually have. I mean, I could find one, but that's just not what we're using today. Alright, so should be fairly simple once we open it. Maybe if we can open it. There we go. Right here, this is looking like the top of the inside. There's that. You got the hose. So this is the filter. More trash. Looks like little clips. We'll see what those go to in a second. More attachments. Oh, falling out the box. So, that's kind of what we got at first. Looks like this is where all the little attachments go. We need to cut this. We'll cut that later. This says we gotta get little handles, so this obviously the tip. So it's good. It looks like we do have to use some of the instructions. Cool. Okay, all that is stuff I don't care about. Just looking for the pictures. There are no pictures. Oh, hold on. I see pictures. Boom, pictures. Okay. So this is what we're looking at. So I think, if I'm not mistaken, put this on the side. And let's see. Oh, there's screws that go with this. Okay. Basically what's gonna happen is I'm gonna put this together, then I'm gonna show you how it works. So. Alright, so we're back. So I was able to figure out exactly how it works. So basically this right here, it was inside the filter. You want to make sure that when you put it on, that this little groove matches up and sits flush in there. You should hear a couple clicks, and there's also little arrows that line up. So what you're going to want to do, obviously, is these little screws. You're going to go in the holes. And there's little holes down there that it matches up, so that's how you're going to screw it in. There should be 3 of them. And then you're just going to want to go and screw them in. Down here. Little pain in the butt to do, but not sure what you guys can see. Well, that's where we're going to set you guys up with. Oh, you know, just trying to figure out how to put this stuff together. Little no instructions.
Looks like you're doing fine.
Yeah, after looking at like 3 different videos.
Is that for your mom?
Huh? Oh yeah, up there, yeah. So we just got a whole bunch of flowers.
We have you have the flowers, the chocolate, and the card.
Yep. Oh, should be good. And then there's one right underneath your hand.
Couldn't have made them in a better spot, could I?
Nope, not at all. It would make it easier if I was using a Phillips head, but I'm using a flat head.
So why?
Because I don't want to get up. You know?
Fair, kind of.
Yeah, this one should work.
It's okay, I got it.
You got it?
It's as tight as it's gonna get.
Yeah, that should be fine. And then this right here.
Cordless?
Yep.
RYOBIONE?
Yep. And this should just pop on there. Like that. And then it should sit right here in this hole. Do it correctly.
Are you filming?
I was, yes.
Oh shit.
I don't care. But these right here should click on the I don't know. I see how it's supposed to. Alright, so hold on, there should be I just showed it how to do this, right? Otherwise, we're just gonna figure it out ourselves.
I already know.
Oh, you figured it out? Alright, so you should then. Okay. It's super simple. See that, guys? You just go and do that. I was trying to figure it out. One-handed. little clippy clip. Just push up. Boom. Okay. Then we've got the hose.
All my hose.
Right there. So I think this was wrapped around right here, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, I think it wraps around and then you can just connect it once you take it off. But these go right here. Oh, I think those go right up here, inside here. No, I can't do that one over there. You're a big behind bug, whatever you were over there. Sweet.
Today I learned something.
What?
The reason why it's easier to get one in than the other is because they are connected.
So there's that, and then you take one of these good old 18-volt little batteries that don't come with it, and punch it in. Got a little and just like that it works. So we are going to use it in just a little bit, but otherwise I know it's a little unconventional, but drop the like, the sub, otherwise peace.